ऑल सेट्स हायस्कूलचा 10वीचा 100% निकाल, विद्यार्थ्यांची चमकदार कामगिरी. नमस्कार, आपण पाहत आहात महाराष्ट्र जनता न्यूज. पुणे शहर ऑल सेट्स हायस्कूल शाळेचा दरवर्षीप्रमाणे यंदाही 100% निकाल लागला आहे. विद्यार्थ्यांनी घवघवीत यश संपादन करत शाळेची उज्ज्वल परंपरा कायम राखली आहे. यामध्ये श्लोक येडगे यांनी 89.60% गुण मिळवत प्रथम क्रमांक पटकावला आहे. श्लोक दातार या विद्यार्थ्याने 87.80% गुणांसह द्वितीय क्रमांक, तर रोहन चव्हाण याने 86.80% गुण मिळवत तृतीय क्रमांक प्राप्त केला आहे. यशस्वी विद्यार्थ्यांचा शाळेत सत्कार करून त्यांचे अभिनंदन करण्यात आले. विद्यार्थ्यांनी कठोर परिश्रम आणि जिद्दीच्या जोरावर हे यश मिळवल्याचं सांगत त्यांच्या पुढील शैक्षणिक वाटचालीस शुभेच्छा देण्यात आल्या. यावेळी शाळेच्या मुख्याध्यापिका जस्सी जयसिंग, संचालक जयसिंग डी डेव्हिड पिल्ले तसेच ॲलन सर यांनी विद्यार्थ्यांचे कौतुक करत पुढील वाटचालीसाठी शुभेच्छा दिल्या, अशी माहिती शाळेचे क्रीडा शिक्षक सुनील साठे यांनी पत्रकाद्वारे दिली आहे. प्रतिनिधीसह महाराष्ट्र जनता न्यूज, पुणे.
Good morning everyone, I am Rohan Chauhan and I am very happy and grateful to share that I got 87% and secured 3rd rank in All Saints High School in my SSC board examination. I sincerely thank to our respected Principal Jessie ma'am, Director Jaising sir, Alan sir and all the teachers who have supported me, motivated me in my SSC board examination journey. A special thank you to Deepali Gaikwad ma'am, Anuradha ma'am and Sharmila ma'am who has supported me, encouraged me and always believed in me throughout my journey. This achievement would not have been possible without your support and encouragement. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone watching. I am thrilled to share that I have cleared my 10th board exam with 88%, securing the 2nd rank in our school. While the numbers are a point of pride, the journey to get here is what I value the most. Representing our school at this level is a moment of great pride for me. First, I want to express my sincere thanks to our Principal Jessie ma'am and Director Jaising sir. Thank you for providing us with the resources, the discipline and the environment we needed to excel. A special mention goes to Alan sir. Thank you sir for your constant encouragement and for always pushing us to aim higher. Your support has been a significant part of my motivation this year. I also have a huge depth of gratitude to all my teachers. Specifically, I want to thank our class teachers Deepali ma'am and Sharmila ma'am. Beyond the syllabus, you taught me the value of persistence and hard work. Your dedication in the classroom is the reason I am standing here today. Lastly, thank you to my family and friends for being my support system. I give the credit of my success to my parents for their endless sacrifices and for always putting my education and dreams above everything else. This is just a beginning and I am excited for the challenges ahead. Thank you.
My name is Shlok Edge. Today I am feeling extremely happy standing before you after scoring 90% in SSC board examination. I stood first in my school, which is All Saints High School. I am grateful to Alan sir, Jessie ma'am and Jessie sir for giving perfect guidance to me, which helped me in board examination a lot for scoring good marks. I am very thankful to my teachers who taught me and supported me during my 10th academic year, which helped me to score good marks in board examination without any difficulties.
महाराष्ट्राचा बुलंद आवाज.
क्षणोक्षणी अपडेट, सत्याचा निर्भीड शोध.
राजकारण असो वा समाजकारण,
शेती असो वा सामान्य माणसाचे प्रश्न,
वा असो क्राईम रिपोर्ट,
प्रत्येक बातमीचा अचूक वेध.
ताज्या बातम्या आपल्यासाठी.
पाहत रहा महाराष्ट्र जनता न्यूज. महाराष्ट्र जनता न्यूज नंबर 1 चॅनल. आजच लाईक, शेअर आणि सबस्क्राईब करा.